Hey guys, I am in my garage at the moment with my kind of new testing rig surrounded by fans. Blender fan, Caribbean Breeze, Demco, Goldline. Can't really see, but currently I'm testing my Hunter Original. It is dated 1988. These are not the original blades. They came off first for the testing purposes, and if I hang it, these came off my Taiwan Original. And let me get a close up of the tag. It's in the darks. I had to be facing the side that's dark, but it says 988, so I think September of 1988. It's got a few scuffs. I got this from a lot of fans that me and Jeff picked up. He got 3 New Orleans, 2 originals. Well, this is the third one. This one was the one I wanted because, I don't know, this one was, I think, one of the better shaped ones. It's 1.1 amp reversible. Those are the blades that would have came with some of those. They're the particle board ones. The original irons were broken, but now it looks good. It has no wobble. Here's low. It's a good fan. It moves good air. It's perfect. It's in perfect bounce. Ignore the button. That's the Demco, which I might replace. It's probably gonna. There's some fans that I need to test. There's a Zephyr, Regency, K55 type motor thing that kind of looks like a Gulf Coast thing. There's a State Fair that needs a flywheel, Parlor fan that needs blades, a few other things, and a WF that needs blades, a new unboxed Can-Arm Industrial, just a bunch of things. It's a good run, and that is the original canopy that came on it. The downrod and canopies on these were spray painted black. The downrod actually also came off my Taiwan Original, which for some reason came with a brown downrod. It's put out some good air. I bet you if my brother knew the power of it, he'd probably use it when he was working on his car. And now for high. This thing is just a powerhouse. Yeah, the inside of the canopy is brown, so they clearly spray painted it. All of them had particle board blades except for one, and they all had, actually, when I stop I'll stop it and I can show you what it has on top. Here's high. I'm gonna turn this down a bit so it. Alright, and then I'm gonna turn the Caribbean Breeze down one. So, and then I'm gonna, I don't think the blender, yeah, this might have some interference. Alright. This thing, it's not as fast, but it's pretty fast. I did oil it. And it actually had fresh oil in it when we got it, so it was clearly taken care of. According to the people we got it from, it came out of a bar and grill. And they're on really long down rods. I'm gonna turn it off. Alright, and I'll set the. Let me stop it. Let me stop by hand quick. Just gonna. It's got the one little vent. And then on the top, I don't know where. I can't remember where it is, but it's somewhere up there. Yeah, that's the cutout for a reverse switch. Because it still has the castings from when the older versions had the reverse switch on the top. The other ones had that too. But, yeah, that's my 1988 original. Thanks for watching.